Hi guys, if you're trying to install a Chrome extension and getting the error package is invalid, CRX file not readable, it means something in your Chrome browser is corrupted or misconfigured. To fix this issue, click the Windows button, type PowerShell, and run it as administrator. Go to the video description, copy the command provided, and paste it into the PowerShell window. Press Enter to execute this command. This will clear your Chrome cache. Once done, type Exit to close PowerShell. Now, open your Chrome browser. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Scroll down to Reset Settings and click Restore Settings to their original defaults. It will ask you for Reset Setting. Just click on Reset Settings. That's it. Now, close your Chrome browser and restart it again. Your issue should now be resolved. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.